good, YouTube? It's lorShift here, back at it again with another banger video, of course. It's been a long 6 days since your boy uploaded a video. Your boy's finally back in business, man. I went on vacation for a little bit, you know, some getaway time to myself, so I didn't upload in about a week, but your boy's back in business, man, and I'm gonna try to upload every 2 to 3 days now. Pretty much straight on to the video, man. We gonna get started. This video is pretty much just gonna be about how I got rid of drone in my 5.7 liter Dodge Charger RT. If you guys wanna know how I got rid of drone in my vehicle, stay tuned to the end of the video. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, and we gonna get straight to it, y'all. I ain't gonna do too much talking for the intro, but stay tuned, let's get it. Yo, I'm gonna start off by saying this, man. If you don't know what drone is, for those who don't know what it is, it's pretty much just a nasty ass raspy sound that you don't want coming from your exhaust. Some people like it, some people don't, but to me and to most people, it's annoying as shit. It's like a raspy sound. It sounds like a boat motor. It's just like, I'm gonna show you some ways that I got rid of it, or a way that I got rid of it on accident, actually. I'm gonna tell you the causes. I'm gonna tell you other ways to get rid of it, so make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video. Of course, like the video, comment, and subscribe, and yeah. So the main cause of drone is a mid muffler delete. A lot of people like to get their V8s and delete the mufflers because the car sounds good, obviously. It sounds good when it's loud to some people. And you got some old ass people or some other people who just hate loud cars for some reason. You get the V8 and you delete the mufflers because it sounds good. So due to you deleting your muffler, you hear a lot of drone. And like I said, it's that raspy sound that you don't want to hear from your car. Once again, if I can find a clip, I'm gonna throw it in here. But if not, yeah, it's just like that. It's like a flutter sound, like a sudden flutter sound to your exhaust note, and the shit sounds crazy. That's the main cause of drones, is getting your mid muffler deleted. It's even worse when you get your mufflers and catalytic converters deleted as well. So if you get your mufflers and cats deleted, your drone is crazy. Like, don't get me wrong, I ain't no expert, so I'm not sure exactly like the science behind the shit. I just know when you get your cats and mufflers deleted, your drone is gonna sound crazy. It's gonna be annoying as shit, and you'll see. Do it, and then you'll actually see what I'm talking about. So the way I got rid of drone was by purchasing these tips right here, these exhaust tips. Exhaust tips in general. Once you get aftermarket exhaust tips, your drone would immediately not completely disappear, but tone down. Like, you won't even tell that you have drone for real. Like, before I got these tips, all I heard was straight drone. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I heard straight drone. It sounded shitty. Like, it got annoying as hell. Mind you, I didn't know what else. Like, I was just gonna deal with it because I didn't know, like, you know, what could fix that. So I ended up buying exhaust tips, just for the looks. As you can see, the back of my car looked good as hell. Hardest RT in the state type shit. Yeah. So I ended up buying exhaust tips, the 5-inchers, just for the looks. And I started to notice, once I'm in track mode and stuff like that, like on a highway doing like 2 to 4 RPMs, like I said, I don't really hear drone. Like, the drone is going. And I didn't notice until like probably like a month later after I put the tips on, but I started to peep. Like, I was like, damn, like I didn't really even hear drone like that. Because when I bought the car, the mid mufflers were already deleted. So it was just like a thing of like, damn, the drone dead ass just disappeared after I purchased the 5-inch tips in here. But I'm gonna also give y'all a little POV drive as well, so that y'all can, like, you know, hear my car on the highway and stuff like that, and you won't be able to hear the drone like that. But yeah, that's pretty much about it, man. So the cure to the drone is the 5-inch. And once again, another way you can also remove your drone, so not only by purchasing the 5-inch exhaust tips and getting them put on. I know some of you guys are gonna ask how much it costs to get them put on and stuff like that. It did cost about $100, and then I got the Carvin 5-inch exhaust tips, as you can see, for $230 off of American Muscle. I will put the link in the description below. Another way to get the drone removed is by getting aftermarket resonators. So if you get aftermarket resonators, that's another way you can get the drone removed. But I deleted my resonators and mid mufflers, so maybe that's why my drone was so bad before. But you know, I got, like I said, I don't know what it is. I don't know the science behind it. Some of you guys are gonna, you know, probably shoot me up for this, but I got the 5-inch exhaust tips and the drone completely disappeared. Like, I don't hear drone at all. And I'm like, what the hell, bro? Shit crazy. Like, y'all could watch all my POV drive videos, y'all won't hear it like that. Probably won't hear it at all, bro. But yeah, we gonna get to this little POV drive, man. That's about it. Hope y'all like that part of the video. And a quick look at my baby, man, before I take y'all on this drive. As y'all see, we got the hood wrap. The hood wrap is hood wrapping. Nice little fitment in the back. Yellow brakes. Y'all should already know, man, what this RT look like. And we got the rear end. The best part about the car, in my opinion, the ass. And yeah, we gonna take you on this little drive, man. But once again, man, get rid of that drone by purchasing these 5-inch exhaust tips. And watch this POV if you want to see proof. All right, y'all, we are going to be in regular mode because I have 29 miles left, so I'm not gonna kill my gas. Is that whenever I went into track or sport mode, the drone would be worse. Before I got the exhaust tips, like it'd be bad. Damn. I'll give you another pull at this light. Once again, your boy just got back from vacation, so I'm trying to feel me, listen to music, enjoy my little ride. But yeah, once again, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you have these exhaust tips. Let me know if that helped you out with your drone as well. But I know with me, it helped my drone out. So let me know if it does with you or if it did with you. A little pull real quick. She sounding good. She sounding real healthy. Gotta be careful, man. You already know these rear wheel drive cars be getting crazy off these turns. You tap the gas a little bit, you'll spin out. I'm gonna try to hold y'all at a good angle as well. It's been a long 6 days since your boy uploaded, bro. I'm gonna get back on track. I'm gonna get right with y'all, man. I know y'all miss me. If you don't follow my Instagram, make sure you go follow my Instagram, 345.lorShift. That is my car page, not my main. But, you know, I'm really active on that page, so go check that out. If you want to see, like, you know, everyday updates on my car and stuff like that. See, this is typically where you'd hear drone right here. Let me actually go. I'm going to go in track mode. Just so y'all can really see. That's drone right there, but it's so hard to tell. Like, it sounds normal, like it just sounds normal, but I believe that was drone, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's drone. You can hear drone right now. Not sure if you could tell by the exhaust, like the different note, but it's like fluttery, like it's hard to explain. But I went from drone to being off a drone just now, and I couldn't really tell a difference. Like, I know y'all probably like, what the hell is he hearing? Because I don't hear nothing. It just sounds like a monster exhaust, like a V8. Like, shit just sound crazy. Yo, it's about to pour. What the hell, bro? God, she just farted. Yo, she running good as shit right now. It's getting ready to pour, so I'm gonna do one more pull real quick before it really comes down. I'm not sure if y'all can tell, but I'm gonna do a pull and then end the video for y'all. Oh shit, it's getting blurry as fuck. Hold on, y'all. This rain coming down. Yeah, let me chill out. It's coming down now. But alright, y'all. We gonna end the video here, man. Make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Get your boy to 15,000 subs. We on the way. I believe we at 13K right now. And I'm gonna catch you on the next video. It's lorShift, and we out. Boom!